5 quick tips for applying your makeup on mature skin.
When applying your contour, make sure to apply it right on the cheekbone and blend upwards. This will keep the face nice and lifted. Make sure to stipple your main foundation shade on. You don't want to swipe and tug as that will pull on the skin too much. When applying your brightener shade, apply to the inner and outer quarters only and blend together. You don't need a lot of product. Grab a damp beauty blender and press the under eye area to help blend in and remove any extra product that could cause creasing. When applying your blush, apply to the top sides of your cheeks and blend back towards your temple. This will give a more lifted look. Make sure to follow me for more easy makeup tips for women over 30.
Easy eye-opening shadow look. It takes a village, it gets harder in our 40s, but I take one color to start with a soft blending brush, and I blend on the lid something that has a slight sheen so it catches the light and opens the eye. Not a super sparkle, not super matte. Then you take the side of your liquid, I love the one size because it's got a long, thin side, and press it on the lash bed. Do not make a line, just press. When you get to the end, instead of going down, just stop, so you don't drop your eye. Take a little, if you're lash challenged like me, a little brush like the L'Oreal Telescopic will get every little baby hair. I don't wake up right out and bushy-tailed anymore, but we're gonna fake the funk. I'm going under and I'm wiggling at the base to give my eyes a lift. I have very little lashes, so this helps. Then the L'Oreal, the false fiber lashes, will actually give some lift and length to short lashes. I put it over the other so I get the best of both worlds. It takes an extra step, but sometimes it's necessary. And here we go. Look at this. An easy open eye, waking up tired, give it a try, quick and out of the house. Let's do it. Hey guys, Erica here, a 46-year-old makeup artist practicing for 27 years with actual clients. I'm going to do a fun game today of what we learned to do in the 90s with our makeup and what we should be doing different now. Keep in mind, most of my clients are my age and up, and we all do certain things. I see this every day. I did not make this up. I deal with clients from fancy boutiques to your run-of-the-mill Ultas. I deal with clients. I deal with celebrities on TV, and I deal with your average gals just like me. Okay, this is what we're doing. Take your big matte powder and just dust it all over the lid, because someone said in the 90s that's what we had to do. And when you're over 40s, you can't wear shimmer, so we're just gonna dust it up. Then we went and we just did a darker color, usually like a gray taupe. This is even more forgiving. Took a taupey brown and we just kind of like dusted it up in there. Just get in that crease. Light, dark, and don't forget, get real light on top again. Okay. Then we took the eyeliner and we just kind of hold the lid. Okay, I'll try to get it on there. Hold the lid. Go across. If it's floating, you know, it is what it is. Then put the foundation on with a nice flat brush that leaves streaks all over the face, but we just do it because that's what we had. Okay. Then after we just take our hand and just, all right, if it's too light, don't worry about it. We'll add blush and bronze. Got a big giant brush that was labeled bronze. And we just, yep, there we go. Bronze. Okay. Where did the blush go? You just take the same brush, who knows? You smile, and that's where the blush went, kind of all together. Then we would fill in the brow. If there's anything missing, we just kind of fill in the brow. We just go through whatever color someone gave us, and add some more light. Always a lot of light. And this is what we still do. A lot of us. Now, my suggested updates, okay? I am a practicing makeup artist for a very long time. First, one color with a little shimmer. Shimmers blend beautifully on the lid, sweeping it up for a nice modern wash. Your pencil or liquid on the side, placing it on the bed of the lash. You should actually feel it on your lash line. You will never have a floating wild line across the lid. Start with a foundation that matches with a tiny bit more color, and then pressing a nice blending buffer like the BK, the 101 blender for a nice, even, no streak look. Opt for a cream bronze with a smaller brush for control and just going around, warming up a little higher, not all over the cheek, and above the cheekbone a little bit for a lift. Dip, lift. Take the blush a little bit higher, brush your brows up. So it's not about what's aging or not, it's just dated and trends have changed. We're not still rocking a mullet, right? Just saying. Do upward strokes to look more like hairs instead of creating a solid line. Keep in mind, I see this every day. We can be luminous and refreshed or a little flat.